All app development requires troubleshooting. As your app scales and becomes more complex, it becomes harder to keep track of all the data and logics that are happening on the app. I asked other Skuid builders, and here are 5 quick tips out of many to help you with troubleshooting on your Skuid page. Add a blog UI message before your actual action if you suspect that your action isn't being reached for some reasons. You can temporarily skip actions in your action sequences. When troubleshooting a series of actions, it's helpful to isolate individual actions to determine which one is causing problems. You can choose to skip an action to see how eliminating it affects the series, and then resume that action later. In the developer console, use Skuid.debug. It's a great way to debug models and model conditions in my experience. One command that's also very helpful is skuid.debug.actions.logging-on to log all actions that happen on a session. Put a specific toast message in a branch action to see if the logic is going down that branch. And here's the final tip. When in development, include tables corresponding to every model in the page. That way you can double-check your work as you go and to see what's happening to the data without having to guess. And that's it for our Skuid's tip this week. I hope these tips come in handy as you continue to develop your Skuid app. Thanks for watching.